Network FP for last 7, 8, 9 years also. So thank you so much. So what do? We are in education and knowledge solutions. That's what we do, education, networking, and knowledge. Whom we serve financial advisors and distributors, the professionals. Our mission is to create a list of qualified and ethical professionals whom public can trust and work with. And our vision is to become a community of knowledge-driven professionals, ultimately helping the families achieve financial well-being. Okay, a crisp one slide on what really is Network FP and this will also tell you what to expect from Network FP now and going forward. Okay. Just a quick timeline of how we started. We started in 2011 with the conference. 2012, we had the first global study tour to USA from India. We led that. Then we did an all-India tour of XLFP workshop. Many people got connected to Network FP from across India during 2013. 2014, we went to, we did conferences in 8 to 10 cities. Then in 2015, we launched the Pro Membership Program, which you are all part of, because people wanted something as an annual package rather than doing bits and pieces now and then. So we introduced the annual Pro Membership Program. And then in 2016, we started the QPFP certification program. Glad to share that the last 3 batches, we have had around 150 plus candidates consistently in the last 3 batches. 2017 is when we started the weekly sessions, the monthly masterclasses, the toolbox, and all the regular stuff. Actually, the Pro Membership was started as just 1 session per month. Okay, on every Wednesday we used to meet at LJ and then at Washi, and then now you can see it's happening on a weekly basis. That's Pro Membership. Okay, 2018 we were working with a lot of supporters and exhibitors. We crossed around 40. Then in 2020 we actually crossed 50 plus supporters and exhibitors. And in 2019, we crossed 1,000 pro members. And in 2020, when the pandemic hit us, just before the pandemic, we hosted the largest physical conference with 2,000 people under one roof in January. And in July, we hosted the largest virtual conference for financial advisors with almost 1,500 to 2,000 people in that conference. And 2021, we have been making progress on the various fronts, as you see, with QPFP Pro Membership and other events. So how many of you were not aware about this timeline? Just want to check, okay? Many of you must have already been aware. Anybody who felt, okay, I didn't know that this happened here or something like that, on the timeline, on the chat? Okay, Suruchi, or most of the new members would not know this. Either you'll say aware or not aware. So both ways, know that so it's a 10-year journey, and many of you have contributed and been part of this amazing 10-year journey. So thank you so much for being part of Network FP community and making it vibrant. So what are our core offerings as we speak today, and which are actually developed over a period of last 10 years, is the Pro Membership Program, which is the annual continuous education program. The second is the QPFP certification, which acts as the foundation program for existing and new professionals. And then you are all aware about the events and summits which we do, which are large scale events and summits. And now we have started the theme-based events and summits like our investment management summit. And then we do focused workshops like XLFP, NRI, taxation, and some which are very specific and need-based workshops. So these 4 things actually are the knowledge-based solutions that Network FP currently offers to the community members. Okay, so so far so good. What's the future aspiration? Many of you must have heard this. At the cost of repeating, I would once again put it across. So what will be our focus in the coming years, in the next 3 years, 5 years or so? We want to be able to map and build a very comprehensive and practical knowledge base. Anything and everything that you need to know as a personal finance professional, if we can map it, index it, okay, and then find a way to distribute it back to you, okay? Gather it, organize it, and distribute it back to you. That's what we want to be doing in terms of the knowledge-based creation. The whole thing has to be enabled by a tech-enabled platform. It's, today, technology plays a very important role in any and every business. Education is no different, okay? We are seeing a lot of online things coming up in the education space, and we are adopting to those developments too. And you'll see some good stuffs coming up in the next few months and maybe a year on the technology front at Network FP, and build a members directory, which I'll say, in short, I always feel that, and you might be wanting, able to connect with it. Can we build a directory of professionals? And if any of my own relatives, my family people, or my friends ask me, can you refer me a good financial advisor? I want to start managing my money. I just send them the link to my directory. Okay, that's the aspiration. And obviously, I'm not going to send anybody and everybody's name to people whom I know. Okay, only the people whom I really trust, whom I can depend on, who I think are reliable, are the people whom we would like to refer to other people. Okay, so that's the kind of directory which we want to be building. And most of the decisions which we are taking right now is to be helping Network FP to build that kind of trustworthy and reliable directory for the public and India. Okay, and fourth, but not the least, is once this directory is available, how do we create awareness and make people aware that we exist and we are here to help you? Okay, so that's the focus in the coming years. And in terms of goal, I've said this enough times, but I will repeat it. Can we give India a directory of at least 10,000 trustworthy people, professionals who can help families achieve financial well-being? But frankly speaking, 10,000 is a very small number. India, according to us, requires at least 2 lakh professionals to cater to almost over 3 crore plus families who fall in the middle class and upper middle class and above category. Okay, so that's the goal, and you're all here, and we wish to make this happen with your help. Okay,
right now, and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.